Communication is so important. What can it help you with? Making decisions, coordinating workflow, supervising others, management, learning how different ideas and creativity, creating clear visions, and energizing employees, promoting products and services, promoting healthy relationships and connections with others. Communication is so effective. How we teach our children, how we communicate with our grandparents, how we communicate with the people within organizations we belong to. Communication can help us in every single way possible in our lives. When we learn how to communicate effectively, we can be heard, we can be understood, and being able to communicate within a society benefits everyone. If we can all learn how to be great communicators, it will be a wonderful thing.